guys, welcome back to another video. Right now I'm heading to the gas station again. Gonna fill up some gas because I don't know, you guys can see we're running pretty low. Damn, these gas prices are still crazy. All right guys, so pretty much right now what we're gonna go do, there's a spot somewhat near where we live that we're gonna go shoot some pictures. You guys already know I'm gonna get you that freeway entrance, don't worry. Gotta be kidding me. I just washed this car, look at that. I'm pretty sure it got on the roof too. Some bird just decided to unload one. All bad. Guys, there's an Audi R8 behind me, guys. I don't know if you can see him, but man, should I race him? Here it comes. We made it. I'm still a little bummed out. I mean, I kind of wiped it off a little bit. I mean, you can't really see it obviously on camera, but you finally wash your car, dude. This poor thing's always dirty. Look, I gave him my wheels, and he keeps them dirty all the freaking time, man. I actually came here not too long ago. Oh yeah, it was a pretty long time ago. Pretty much when I barely got to see. I came here and took some pictures of the car. It was like in that area over there. I think they still have some actually. If I do, I'm gonna insert them. Yeah, it's a pretty cool spot. Usually you can get some fire pictures during the to catch the sunset, but we came here just because there's always traffic and it gets really bad. So well guys, we're taking off. As you can see, yeah, that's not it. Traffic is already forming, and yeah, hell no. In a stick shift car, they said it'll be fun. Yeah, that's until you run into traffic. Oh, that is 06.